WallShark installation video. WallShark is an all-in-one solution for fixing failed wall fasteners mounted to hollow walls constructed of drywall. Before installation, familiarize yourself with all the included WallShark components. The WallShark works with most wall fasteners that are covered by a post. Verify that your post is at least 2 inches wide to cover the wall plug, and that there is no stud within 1 inch from the center point. Remove the loose towel bar, post and bracket. Remove the anchors or push them into the wall. Clear debris from the surface. Mark the center point of the desired towel bar post location. Drill a hole in the mark using the included drill bit and remove any excess paper, dust and any debris from the hole after the hole is drilled. The resulting surface should be flat with no protruding paper or debris to allow the wall guide to sit flush to the wall. Insert wall guide and secure with the supplied screws. Insert the WallShark driver into the drill and tighten like you would a drill bit. Twist the wall sander onto the wall plug until it snaps in place and slide onto the WallShark driver until secure. Keeping the whole sanding ring in contact with the wall, lightly sand for 3 to 4 seconds with minimum force to remove paint and texture. Untwist the wall sander and twist on the wall cutter. Start with a fully charged drill battery and set the drill to a low torque setting, if available. Begin cutting into the wall by inserting the WallShark driver into the wall guide. The wall cutter is sharp and cuts easily, so apply light force while keeping it straight, allowing the entire ring of teeth to cut into the wall evenly. Stop cutting when the tabs meet the wall surface. Untwist to remove the wall cutter from the wall plug. Keeping the wall plug very straight, drive it in with medium force until it is flush with the wall. The threads will keep it secure. Insert the single mount plug only if a center hole is needed. Position your bracket and choose the appropriate holes. Using only the included screws, drive the screws using the included Phillips head driver bit until the screws are approximately 1/4 inch from the surface. Rotate the bracket counterclockwise only to align as needed. Avoid excessive rotation to prevent damage to the wall plug. Tighten the screws and reinstall towel bracket.